We're just doing a quick video to show you how you can get started. Pretty easy. He is not having this. He is just not having it. He doesn't like me talking to the camera at all because I'm ignoring him, I guess. Okay, I'm just going to share with you a quick couple of tips and tricks to get started. I'm going to put a couple of links in the description below of organizations you can start with. One is GPAA, which is Gold Prospectors Association of America, and then there's GSSN, which is Gold Searchers of Southern Nevada. The GPAA will run you about $135 a year, and the GSSN will run you $50 to start and $35 a year after that. So recommend hooking up with them. They have meetups where they gather for the whole weekend. This is one of those weekends. That's not exactly what I'm here for. We're doing some other stuff on Adams Land. We're going to try Little Blue out. So anyways, don't be surprised if I throw in some of this. Yeah, so that happened. Anyways, all throughout my video. So let me show you what we're having success at right now, how we're finding the gold. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this from a step back. So you got your first layer, we'll call it overburden, right? Once you get into the super gravelly layer, you start seeing the bigger rocks. That's where we're finding the big chunky gold. Then you come down into here and you'll see like a reddish clay layer. There is gold in there, but let me look at the camera. So there is gold in there. It's just not a ton. It's more like glitter. But where the big rocks are, that's where the chunky stuff is. So that's where I would focus. But the rest of the overburden, you'll find sporadic pieces now and again, but it's pretty much a waste of your time. All right, that's a little 1/8 inch screen. Normally I use 1/4 inch. That's kind of small. I'm afraid I'm gonna lose some stuff. But in a nutshell, I'll just show you real quick. You drop it in, take it away. Some of you guys are already gonna know this. See, there's one of those clay pieces I was talking about. Watch how it disintegrates. Anyways, taking it like that. That's no good. We're gonna keep that. Bang. In typical Eric fashion, I forgot the 5-gallon bucket, so I'm just gonna dig it out raw here and then go back to the base camp and process it there. This is how it goes. Woo! All right, it's enough for me. Let's go back and run it. If you see my very first video we ever did, that's Walter. Thank you. If you know where the spot's at, thank you for not disturbing Walter. All right, Walter, we'll see you later. Let's go, Bo. Come on. Whoop. So anyways, I highly recommend that you get with the group and see what's working for them. They may be doing dry sluice and this and that, wet sluice and shaker decks and whatnot. I'm no expert at all, but that being said, the one that taught me was Adam, and he's the expert. I just follow along. You want me to dig? I'll dig. So yeah, anyways, I don't know all the terms, but get with somebody who does and let them show you what works for them, and don't be afraid to, try for yourself. You never know what's gonna work. So all part of doing this is having fun, and when you find the gold, it's like, heck yeah, let's do it. And don't worry, if you don't have a ton of equipment, you can always rent it from GSSN. check it out and read their website. You'll see what I'm saying. But yeah, you don't have to invest a ton of money because you can go as big as you want to go or as small as you want to be. So yeah, you can crank it up and go with a lot of big equipment. Not like Gold Rush big, but you know, maybe a Trommel or whatever. But you know, just go with what works for you. Keep it easy, keep it fun. That's what I do. Just got a couple little screens and a couple little pans and a shovel, and I keep it simple. Adam, on the other hand, he likes to crank it up. Yes, that's a whole nother story, but we'll get into that. Oh, would you look at that sunset? Woo! Gotta love this stuff. All right, rolling up on the compound. Whee! Hey-ya! just got the pump up and running. Couldn't get the pump going. The carburetor was all jacked up, so Adam had to rebuild it. Finally got it going now. Oh yeah, Little Blue is active. Getting dirt put in it right now. Alright, so we just ran this tote, not classified, classified it, ran it through, and just that, nothing else. Here. Oh, wait a
that over
bigger,
that,
bigger.
please.
Good old bigger. You don't want to lose the goater.
Those are good when you can hear.
Lands. A lot of gold.
Just would have made a good video.
It's going to. Alright, so now we're going to weigh. Scales at 0. We're going to test, should say 50. Alright. Okay, so we're going to measure it in this bowl. We're going to reset 13 back to 0. .77 of a gram. Desert dogs wore out. Well, hope that information helped out. We ended up finding just shy of $50 worth of gold in today's market value. So that was half a yard of dirt that we ran. So just shy of $100 a yard. Pretty good. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm loving dealing with the bumpy roads, and we'll see you down the road. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Whoop, whoop.